It's time to start planting the garden. Today in this video, I'm going to take you through my planting process. I'm going into the 4th season, and though I know I still have a lot to learn, I can say that I've learned a lot these past seasons. Our garden space has grown significantly. That's both good and also a bit challenging. We now have the garden space to grow a lot more variety of crops, but that just means that it's going to take a lot more time and precision in plotting what we plant and where. So like I said, I haven't been at this for very long. So basically what I do is I start by going through all my seed packets and see what I have. And then from there, I make a list of all the things that I want to plant and what I have room for the entire season. That includes the initial crops and any bumper or succession planting that I may want to do later on in the season. I review the germination time and the seed starting suggestions, and I make a note as to when I should be starting each crop. And after the list, I proceed to my new digital planner that I created. It's still a work in progress, but I believe it's a good starting point. Make it a little easier for me when I plan the crops through the entire season, since I am now trying to start growing not only in the spring and summer seasons, but the fall and winter seasons as well. I enter each crop that I want to start, starting with the earliest for seed starting in the season. I just basically enter in all the seeds that I want to start with. Usually in the beginning of the season, I start with the nice shades, which includes the tomatoes, the eggplants, and the peppers. I just make a list of all the ones, different varieties that I want to start, and the day that I plan on starting them. It's now about 8.5 weeks until my last frost here in zone 8A. I am probably starting the peppers and the eggplants a little bit late, but with the wonky seasons that we've had the last couple years and the late frost, I think I should be okay. I'll be posting more videos to document this whole entire season, so please feel free to subscribe so you don't miss any part of this journey. Thanks so much for watching. I always appreciate it. Until next time. See you soon. Bye-bye.
Keep on moving on.